I'm Noe, a seasoned travel enthusiast and a dedicated advocate for the transformative power of solo travel. Over the years, I have journeyed through diverse landscapes from the charming beaches of Tahiti to the lush vineyards of Cape Town and the thrilling safaris of Kruger National Park. Traveling solo has not only allowed me to discover new places, but also to connect with people, cultures, and myself in profound ways. I have experienced the freedom and empowerment that comes from navigating the world independently, and I want to share this with you. My mission is to help aspiring solo travelers embark on their own journeys, providing them with the tools, confidence, and inspiration needed to take that first step. Whether you're dreaming of your first solo trip or looking to enhance your existing travel experiences, I am here to support and guide you. Together, we can unlock the potential of solo travel to change your life, making you a more successful and fulfilled adventurer. Join me and let's embark on this transformative journey together. So remember last night was King's Day celebration and it went on for basically the whole night. I didn't really get much sleep because it was right under my window. But this is the next day and there's trash everywhere. And every year they do this. Oh no, someone lost their bike in the stream. From the looks of it, it's pretty fresh. It probably happened last night. Oh my gosh. Ay, ay, ay. This is awesome. I love it here where bikes have their own path, their own road with their own traffic lights, and everybody respects them. It's awesome. As I made my way through Huize de Burgh, I quickly realized that they were closed that day. Huize de Burgh is more than just a historic site. It's a showcase of Dutch resilience and craftsmanship. Built in the late 15th century, this house has been a witness to the unfolding of centuries, serving as a stronghold for the local nobility. Its architecture is a testament to the Dutch Renaissance style, featuring stepped gables and intricate brickwork that highlight the skills of ancient builders. Surrounding the house, the gardens at Huize de Burgh offer a glimpse into the botanical layouts favored in the past, blending beauty with functionality. These grounds are like a living museum, each plant and pathway narrating a piece of the estate's extensive history. From every angle, Huize de Burgh radiates a historical charm that captivates the imagination, making you ponder the life and stories within its venerable walls. On my way to Stadswandelpark, I stumbled upon Begraafplaats St. Joris, a hidden cemetery that felt more like a secret grove than a place of eternal rest. This unexpected detour revealed an enclave of tranquility so profound, with sunlight dappling through aged trees onto weathered stones, that it seemed to suspend time itself. It was beautiful, serene, a hidden pocket of peace that whispered old tales and secrets. I could have stayed there the rest of the day, lost in its quiet magic. Emerging from this enchanting interlude, I ventured onward to Stadswandelpark, a place that merges the natural charm of Eindhoven with its cultural heartbeat. As I meandered along its paths, wrapped in lush greenery, the park unfolded like a story from a book, where each turn of the path revealed a new chapter. Art installations dotted the landscape, from whimsical sculptures that seemed to dance with the breeze to solemn statues that held the gravity of many gazes. Each piece was a punctuation in the park's narrative, crafting a dialogue between nature and human expression. Stadswandelpark is more than a green escape. It's a living, breathing part of the community. Here, the pulse of Eindhoven is palpable, blending creativity with quiet moments, vibrant gatherings with solitary reflections. It embodies the essence of the city. Innovative, spirited, and ever inviting to those who wander its paths. In this park, you can feel the layers of stories, both told and untold, weaving through the trees and across the open spaces, inviting you to become a part of its ongoing tale. Established in the early 20th century, this park innovatively exemplifies sustainability in urban green spaces. Efforts here are focused not only on beautification but also on ecological stewardship, preserving biodiversity, wisely managing water resources, and employing sustainable practices that echo Eindhoven's green commitments. Moreover, nestled among the trees stands the Monument of Tolerance, a testament to the community's dedication to peace and cultural understanding. This monument invites visitors to pause and reflect on the values of inclusivity and respect that are deeply rooted in the city's ethos. Every element of Stadswandelpark, from its art-infused pathways to its commitment to environmental sustainability, portrays a vibrant narrative of a city that cherishes its past while boldly embracing its future. In this park, the stories of Eindhoven unfold beneath your feet and stretch out before your eyes, inviting you to walk, watch, and wonder. So I just tried to go into the prehistoric town and village, The lady was so nice, she's like, for what you're going to pay, you need to come back because we close in half an hour. And you need more than half an hour to explore the village. So come back. Oh, it's so cute. Anyways, I don't know if I'll have time to come back, but I'll try. Could you tell me what's a good thing to do here on a Sunday night?
Yes, I can. Well, on a Sunday night, all the stores are closed earlier. So I suppose what we Dutch people like to do here in the south of the Netherlands, we like to go to sit in one of the terraces on the markt. And my personal favorite one is Grand Café Centraal. And we just like to sit down, talk for hours all evening if we can, order wine, go people watching, order bitterballen, and we are happy and content.
Fabulous. All right. Well, I think I might just do that tonight. Thank you so much, Michelle.
You're very welcome.
Oh no, don't put me on the big spot.
You're in the video.
Thank you. Isn't this the best looking lemon meringue pie or what?
Weet je, en het is dubbel duur voor mij. Ja, lekker. Dus ik moet hier toch,
Good morning. It's my last day here in Eindhoven, and one of the reasons I came here, besides its history and everything else, is the downtown gourmet food market. So this is where I'm headed now. Can't wait. I'm here to get some Greek food here. We'll see. Welcome to my last adventure in Eindhoven, the downtown gourmet market. This place is a vibrant culinary theater, and today I am looking for something uniquely delicious, a curry bratwurst Eindhoven style. It's just one of over 20 global cuisines you can explore here. The market isn't just about food, though. It's about community. Here, everyone gathers around communal tables, sharing not just incredible dishes, but also stories and laughs. As evening falls, the market transforms. The lights twinkle a little brighter, the music picks up, and it's the perfect time to grab a handcrafted cocktail. So next time you're in Eindhoven, come to the downtown gourmet market, whether for lunch or for dinner. Here, every bite is a story, and every meal brings people together. So I got the bratwurst with sauerkraut and curry sauce and fried onions. I mean, it was so good. I didn't think I could eat the whole thing, but I did. Don't you just love this? The sound of the church. It's Catherine's church. Beautiful.